Welcome to Brighouse 22, a boutique townhome community in the heart of Richmond. I finally got to see, so obviously there's 22 homes with only 3 remaining move-in ready. The site location is 8699 Spires in Richmond. With the 3 remaining homes, there's going to be a B, C, and A, so ABC plan. Starting off with the B plan, it's going to be the largest at the moment, and it will have a legal suite. So, meaning you can have a mortgage helper, which a lot of people do prefer nowadays. Honestly, I would live here myself. So the legal suite lock-off will be very spacious. Now moving up to the 2nd floor, this will be your kitchen and dining area with the back access to the courtyard. Modern finishes, high ceiling, and large windows give it a bright and spacious feel. Now walking upstairs is going to be a 3-bedroom. There's the washer and dryer, and you have lots of natural light coming in. A lot of new homes being built in this area, so don't sleep on this area. A little bit about the location. So it's very walkable to Richmond Brighouse SkyTrain or Richmond Center. There's going to be the best parks, restaurants, and schools. I'm definitely loving the washrooms, the black finishes, and to note, most of the rooms, actually all of the rooms in all 3 plans have very spacious bedrooms and obviously high ceilings, something that most people complain about. Closets all have ample storage. Now going back to the kitchen. Kitchen looks very sleek, some high-end appliances, and to note, all the kitchens have a window or 2 for this one. If you're a hoarder for kitchen supplies or even for non-kitchen supplies, there's plenty of storage as well. That is pretty good. Okay, walking downstairs just to take a look. It says do not enter, so we're not gonna do that. Look at how big those windows are. And then we're gonna take a look over there. I've got hooks installed, washrooms. Oh, I love the washroom so much. Okay, finally going back up to the terrace level, we're gonna go see our 2nd floor plan, which is the A plan. Just look at how spacious this layout is. I can sit here, have a drink, make some coffee, invite your friends over, and again, kitchen windows, massive, lots of natural light. Walking back upstairs here in the A plan, there is a little hidden chimney. No, that's not a chimney. No. You can put a lot of storage in there though. Oh, I had to mention again, the washrooms are really big actually, as well as the rooms and ceiling height. The A plan is a 3-bed and flex. It measures about 1738 square foot. Hey. And lastly, we're going to visit the C plan. This is going to be a 3-bedroom measuring up at 1588 square foot. Going upstairs, you're going to still have a lot of natural lighting at 4 p.m. on a late March. So with only 3 homes remaining here at Brighouse 22, if you are looking for a townhome in Richmond, this might be the perfect fit for you. If you're interested, let's chat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tours, and see you in the next one.